So see, this is what it is. Um, plus square root of 12 plus square root of 12 plus square root of 12. And it is going on and on and on. Okay. So this is how it is going to infinity. Okay. So what we do is we just call this something like an x. Okay. And then what do we do is we square it on both sides. So what happens? This will become 12 plus again a square root of 12 plus a square root of 12 plus square root of 12 plus square root of 12 and so on and so forth, right? So to infinity, this becomes x square. So this is again x itself because this is a sequence which is repeating, right? So this becomes x itself because there is nothing changing here because it goes to infinity. One of them I have taken out, but it still goes to infinity. So we just say that this and this is same because there is no difference. Like if I give you this only, you would say that this is x itself. And you get this, then you get x square minus x plus 12. Oh, minus not minus 12. Okay. Now, yeah, x square plus yeah. So is there a way for us to factorize it? So this we can factorize x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 12 equals to 0. Then I can get x minus 4 plus 3x minus 4 equals to 0. So we'll get x is equals to 4 or minus 3. Right? So this is just a positive number plus plus plus. So we reject the negative one. I mean, I shouldn't be getting a negative number by just doing this, right? So I just reject and say that this is gonna be equal to 4.